I just want to kind of give an introduction to these videos that you're about to see. We are already back from Hawaii, but the videos are kind of like in 2 days. So the first videos that you're going to see are us hiking. So we got up early morning and went on this like 5-hour hike. It was amazing. It was beautiful. It was a lot of hard work, a lot of climbing, things that we're not used to. Here in Texas, a lot of it's just flat, so it was a struggle, but it was a lot of fun. And then the other videos, I believe, are us going to Pearl Harbor, which was the following day. We went to Pearl Harbor, and we kind of just hung out and visited. It was a place that we wanted to go while we were in Hawaii, and it was this place that we had to see before we left. So that's the next video that you're going to see. We're kind of just a couple of days running together, so I just wanted to let y'all know. Sorry about that. So I hope you enjoy the video.
Okay, bro. This is where we are. See the other side of the island. Shit's crazy.
Okay, where did we just hike?
Owl Crater.
Okay, so we just made it to the top of Owl Crater. And yeah, let's go. And now we're just resting because we are sore.
Have to make it back down and go to the beach.
But the view is badass. What time is it?
See what?
I was gonna see what time it is. How long it took us.
We probably didn't get on the trail till almost 11 because that little detour. It's only 1:40.
So it's 1:40 and we started like 10:15. Yeah, it's a decent hike.
Probably make it in about 5.5 hours like I was thinking.
Yeah, so
Worth the view.
yes, worth it. For
Let me
sure.
make you some. Oh shit. Sandwich.
And we're eating Lunchables because
Adulting.
yeah, one-on-one right here. Okay, so today is day 3 of our travels and our trip. And so today we came to Pearl Harbor and we're just visiting the Pearl Harbor and the USS Arizona Memorial, which is pretty cool. It's just crazy to think that like back in 1941 there was a war that was going on right here. So it's super crazy, but we're enjoying it. We're about to go check out this submarine over here, and then at 11:30 we're gonna go watch this 20-minute documentary about the USS Arizona, and then take a boat all the way across to the actual memorial. So I'm excited about that. So I'll try to get as much footage as I can today. I know my videos have not been consistent of things we're doing, but trying to be in the moment and just really soak in everything, because this is my first time to this island, and so every island's different. So yeah, I will show you guys around and get some video for y'all. Okay. USS Bowfin submarine, and this thing is huge. Like, it's huge. So we already went inside and walked through, and it was like tight spaces. The beds are like really tiny. I don't know if I could do that because claustrophobic. Okay, so we just got back from Pearl Harbor, and we didn't get to go out to the USS Arizona because the Navy shut the harbor down or something, and so they weren't letting the boats like go up and dock onto the memorial. So we left, and now we're back at the house, just hanging out, and we're gonna figure out what we're gonna do later, or today, or the beach, or something. Make sure to like and subscribe the video, and we will see you in the next one.